So in this video, I'm going to show you the massive funnels feature that we have inside flexifunnels. And not just I'm going to show you the how to use that feature, but I'm also going to show you the importance of that feature. Okay, so first of all, let me try and explain to you the concept, and then I'm going to show you the how to do it inside flexifunnels. So let's suppose what exactly is a funnel. Okay, so let's suppose if you are selling a mobile phone. Okay, that was a bad mobile phone. So let's suppose if somebody has purchased a mobile phone from you, it would make sense that right after the purchase of the mobile phone, you would show them let's suppose a tempered glass, and right after somebody has purchased that, let's suppose you show them a a back cover, right? And let's suppose if you are selling a camera, for example, okay, a camera. So right after somebody has purchased a camera, it will make sense that you show them a tripod stand, right? So I hope you understand that funnel is something that ultimately helps you in increasing the average order value. If you are selling, let's suppose a supplement, so right after that you can sell additional supplement. If you are selling, let's suppose anything, a book, maybe you can sell an audio book on top of it, right? So maybe if you are selling a course, maybe you can sell a one-on-one consultation on top of it. So basically a funnel is something that ultimately helps you in increasing your average order value, right? So if I just show you the example, let's suppose those of you who do not know, so this is also one of our products by the name Marketplace, which is a marketplace builder. And we did this the sales for this particular product on a platform called JVZoo, right? I'm going to show you the stats and stuff. So basically this was the front end of the product. Now what do I mean by the front end? Front end is basically the mobile phone, right? For example, in this case, this is the front end. Basically the first product that you sell, that is called the front end, okay? And the other products that you sell on top of the on top of the first product, let's suppose after mobile phone you are selling a tempered glass, and then you are selling a screen cover. So this is called a upsell, OTO, one time offer. You can call it a OTO, one time offer. You can call it a upsell. So in our case, in Marketplace, so this was the front end offer, which is a marketplace builder. Then we had the pro license, in which we unlocked more features. For example, in the front end license, for example, we had the option for the users to create only 10 marketplaces. In the upsell, we had given the option to unlock unlimited marketplaces plus more features. And then on top of it, we had OTO2, upsell number 2, one time offer number 2, right? In which we had done for you templates. Then we had OTO3, which was the agency license, and so on and so on. So basically this is how the concept of upsells work. So these are the upsells. At the same time, since we have a digital product, we also offer our customers a downsell. All right, so what is a downsell? So let's suppose if somebody sees this offer, right? As a product creator, my job is to maximize the revenue when somebody has come to my shop, when somebody has come to my sales page. So when somebody sees this offer, and let's suppose they reject this particular offer, let's suppose they don't want it, okay, let's suppose they feel that, okay, not really suitable for me at this particular time, or whatever it is. So then what we do is, at the bottom of the page, we give this small little icon, which is small little text, which is a no thanks text, that hey, I don't want this offer, and I would like to skip this offer. So people click on this, and as soon as they do that, they get to a different page in which we offer the same offer at a reduced price. All right, so you can get the same offer at a reduced price. Now of course, this is what we have also done is, for the ethical purposes, we have reduced some amount of deliverables out of this. So we have taken away the bonuses that was available in the main offer, and now this same offer is available at $77 instead of $97 without the bonuses, right? And the same thing we have applied for, let's say, the OTO2, upsell number 2, the club offer. Again, if you go down, if you will see the pricing, 49, 49, 77. At the bottom of the page, we have offered downsell number 2, right? So the upsell offer, you call it upsell, upgrade, and over here when somebody clicks on no thanks, then we call it a downsell. Okay, so over here at a reduced pricing, and again without the bonuses, right, at a reduced price without the bonuses. Similarly, we have this OTOC, which is the agency license. Let's suppose 297. Let's suppose somebody is not able to afford this. So then in that case, what we do is we give them the no thanks option, that hey, I don't want this. But then we offer the same thing, but as a three-part payment option. So basically people can pay the get the same offer, but since they did not have that money, let's suppose $297, so they can pay us this amount in 3 months, 99, 99, 99, 99. So first of all, I want to show you the impact that when you